Hey guys, for today's Free Friday product I'm going to create Saltbox laser design. Free download in the description. You can download more Saltboxes on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sales 75. The promotion will last for a month. In order to assemble this design, I need sandpaper and nail file, glue and acrylic markers. First, you need to use sandpaper to clean the parts of the design and remove any excess. Also, you can use nail file to clean all corners of the design. I do this to all parts of the design. The next step, I will paint the decorative parts of the design. I chose a brown acrylic marker. You can use both acrylic markers and acrylic paints. In total, I need to paint 4 decorative parts.
To find a paradise, we can't roll the dice when oceans part us twice. Fiery heart, cool my rain, pain we can't contain. You're burning me too close, too close. Gentle waves, calm the flames, love's a melting game. In this torrid zone.
After painting the parts, I finally start assembling the box. I start assembling the box from the side parts as shown in the video. To make the parts fit together better, you can use a hammer to help yourself a little. Then I start to assemble the other side parts as shown in the video. Now I will glue the decorative parts to the main box. First, you should choose the parts correctly. Apply glue on them and glue them as shown in the video. The last step is to assemble the lid. We put the small round designs on the protruding parts of the lid and then insert them into the main structure. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download this free laser design and many more via link in the description. You can download more Saltboxes on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sales 75. The promotion will last for a month.